How often you need to drain your DeLonghi Portable Air Conditioner depends on several key factors, primarily humidity levels and how much you use the unit. Every DeLonghi Portable Air Conditioner has a water collection tank that fills up during operation. The rate at which this tank fills depends on the moisture in your environment. In low humidity conditions, you might only need to drain weekly or at the end of the cooling season. However, in very humid conditions, you could need to drain the tank multiple times per day. When your tank is full, the unit displays an HL error code and automatically shuts off to prevent overflow. This is why regular draining prevents interruptions to your cooling. Draining is essential because DeLonghi air conditioners use the collected moisture to cool the condenser coils. This process maximizes cooling efficiency, but requires the tank to have space for continuous water collection. Failing to drain regularly leads to three main problems. The unit automatically shuts off when full, stagnant water creates mildew odors, and overflow can cause water damage to your floors. Newer DeLonghi models feature self-evaporative systems that reduce the need for manual draining. However, even these advanced units may require manual draining during periods of extremely high humidity. The key is to monitor your environment and usage patterns. Drain proactively based on humidity levels rather than waiting for the HL error code. This ensures uninterrupted cooling and optimal performance from your DeLonghi portable air conditioner. Proper maintenance is essential for your DeLonghi portable air conditioner's optimal performance and longevity. With the right care, your unit can last 8 to 10 years. Here's your maintenance schedule. Clean the filter every 2 to 4 weeks. Check the drainage system every 1 to 2 months. And with proper care, expect your unit to last 8 to 10 years. Filter cleaning is crucial for maintaining air quality and efficiency. Follow these 5 simple steps. Turn off and unplug the unit. Carefully remove the filter. Rinse it with lukewarm water. Let it dry completely, and reinstall when fully dry. Regular drainage system checks prevent water buildup and maintain efficiency. Check for clogs monthly, ensure proper water flow, clean the drain pan regularly, watch for the HL error code indicating a full tank, and use continuous drainage if your model supports it. For optimal performance, maintain temperatures between 24 and 27 degrees Celsius with 50% relative humidity. DeLonghi's Eco-Real Feel technology automatically optimizes humidity control, reducing energy consumption by up to 30% while maintaining comfort. Modern DeLonghi units feature cool surround technology with Bluetooth temperature monitoring, automatic humidity adjustment, and smartphone control. BioSilver filters provide improved air quality with antimicrobial protection for healthier indoor air. For safe operation, install your unit in a room larger than 15 square meters on a level, stable surface. Keep it away from heat sources, ensure proper exhaust ventilation, and maintain at least 50 centimeters clearance from walls for optimal airflow.